Today we're making a high protein chicken pasta bake. It's so simple to make, it's absolutely delicious, and you can easily portion it up to last you through the week. All you need is chicken mince, pasta, I've gone for spirals, a pasta sauce, and a couple of cheeses. I've used cheddar and parmesan. Preheat the oven to about 200 degrees fan, and then use some boiling water to start cooking up the pasta. Put a little bit of oil in the pan, and then whack in your chicken mince. We've gone for 1 kilo so that we've got lots of protein. Break it all up in the pan, and then when it starts to cook, season it with salt and pepper, oregano, and taco seasoning. Test out a bit of the pasta, but once it's fully cooked, drain it off and then stick it in a deep dish. Then once the chicken mince is cooked, add that on top and give it a little mix through. Get a pasta sauce and add it to the top. Obviously you could make your own if you want. We'll sprinkle in a bit of shredded parmesan and then mix both of these two things together. You want to be really thorough here and make sure the whole mixture is put through and all the pasta's covered. Once it's been mixed thoroughly, we're going to grate some cheddar on top. That's going to help us get that nice bubbly cheese on top that we're after. As this is a higher calorie meal, obviously don't be too shy with the amount you put on, but of course adjust the servings and how much you use to suit your macros. Once it's cooked in the oven for about 15 minutes, this is how it comes out. As you can see, the cheese has melted perfectly on top and the pasta is cooked to perfection. I actually like it when it has a little bit of crispiness on there, but the amount that we've made, you can easily portion out into about 4 Tupperwares, and each one of them is going to be about 1,000 calories and 87 grams of protein. So it's going to help you really consistently stick to your calories and macros throughout the week. But this is really easy to make, very simple, and it tastes unreal. You're definitely going to want to stick this one into your weekly rotation. And if you're not sure what to eat for your bulk according to your specific macros, I've trained a custom GPT to understand what your targets are and your likes and dislikes, and to create custom meal plans based on that. If you want access to it, the link's in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.